Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So today, finished the outside lights as far as we can go. I don't know if there's any on the east side, but as far as the south side, the west side, and the north side, they're all done now, as far as I know, because my coworker just rolled in at the end of the day. So he basically went around mounting the brackets again, and I went around hanging the lights behind him. Some of them I couldn't get to with my little lift, so he had to use the boom lift and swing over and get some of them, but finished these. There's one on the side of this wall. I think there's like 3 or 4 maybe on this west wall, and then basically the same thing all the way back. Probably like 8 or so lights down the north side and a couple extra on the end. So that's what I basically worked on most of the day. For a while I was just unpackaging them and then prepping the lights for me and the coworker, so I did that for a while, and then like I said, which you haven't seen yet, working on the panel at the end of the day just for a little bit, and then yeah, just getting all the stuff from the other coworker from his van before he left. So that basically wrapped up my day. I'm gonna go ahead and go home now and get all the stuff for the birthday party. Gonna go to Spaghetti Factory tonight with some of my friends for Katie's birthday, so it's gonna be fantastic. Hopefully it goes well. I have no idea what we're gonna talk about. That's the only thing I'm really stressed about, but other than that, it's gonna be a good time, and I can't wait. So I'm gonna get got the cupcakes going at home, and gonna go get some balloons and stuff like that to be extra. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. I will catch you later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. If you don't mind hitting that like button, it'd really help me out, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Alright guys, and for the last part of the day, I was attempting to work on the strut and pipe on that, trying to cut the strut 20 1/8. It's going to be going 3 foot, 9 foot, 9 foot, 9 foot. Just having trouble cutting the strut. It seems like one of my weaknesses is cutting straight strut or pipe that are bigger than, like, I don't know, 2-inch or whatever. So trying to do that, and then the bandsaw got jammed, so I had to take it all apart and fix that. So that wrapped up the end of the day. So here's the lifts that I've been using outside and inside to get to the ceiling. If I can find someone who's on a lift. No one's really on a lift, so I can't really show you, but basically it just goes to the ceiling, super high stuff. So yeah, I have a picture, maybe I'll throw it in here, but it gets a little bit sketchy when you have it on the full speed on accident and you start jerking around up in the air. So